Good morning. Here we are out in the gym. It is Wednesday morning. I said that last week, I remember. Dude, it's Thursday morning. Wednesday's done. We are on the downhill side. I wanted to get us going back up the hill again, didn't I? Anyway, so we got this Thursday workouts, our back workout. We got the red band up for pull-ups. So we're gonna hit 3 sets of 10 on the pull-ups. Might try to see if I can grab the next size down band, which I think is the blue band. For the last set, we'll see how these first 2 sets goes. I'm not gonna force it. I wanna make sure and do them right and get them all done. But yeah, we've got that. And then we've got, what do we have on tap? After that, we've got, I think, dumbbell rows. And these are all 3 sets of 12, the auxiliaries. Reverse flies, barbell shrugs, and alternating dumbbell curls. And I'll be doing the curls and the shrugs concurrently there at the end. And then we've got, gonna go out on a walk. The old back of the leg is slowly getting better. It's just tight. I mean, I don't want to straighten it out and cause it any more aggravation, but today's workout hopefully won't do any aggravation to it. Yesterday's didn't do much. And I'll take it easy on the walk. I'm gonna continue taking it easy on the walk. I think I don't know, I will walk 1.1 miles is where I've been doing with the leg like it is, and we'll see. I don't know, maybe cut back on that just a little bit. Not sure, I have a hard time cutting back on what I do. But anyway, that's what we've got today. This is Sojourner Vision. Welcome to the channel. My name's Russell. So you guys, here we go. Let's get it. Let's do it. right, so Thursday's back workout is done and went well actually. I did not move down to the smaller band. I continued with the red band, wanted to make sure and get them all my reps in and all in right, you know, not suffering form or any of that kind of thing. I just didn't feel like when I got past set 2, I thought I could do the blue, but I'm just thinking I wouldn't be able to finish. Maybe it'd have been better for me, but I think definitely next time I'll slide on the blue band and or the next band down, blue or green, and do it with the blue band. So anyway, that went well. All the other lifts, dumbbell rows, oh man, those are feeling good. Getting a good mid-back to outer back workout on that. Feeling really good with the rows. And so that was 50 pounds for 3 sets of 10. And then we had the reverse flies. I stuck it at the 15 still. Just the 20s, I'd be forcing those up in the last set. So stuck with the 15 pounds and really worked it. I mean, worked it hard. Really concentrated on squeezing the rear delts and the upper back together when lifting that up. So yeah, I really worked it hard on that. And then we had, let's see, 1, 2, we had concurrently shrugs and alternating dumbbell curls, and those went well those went well too. So shrugs down there at 135, and I added 10 pounds for the last set to 145. 3 sets of 12. So yep, got that done. And the alternating curls, 25 pounders. I could maybe throw up the 30 pounders, but I'd be sacrificing form on that too. So best I stay at the 25 pounders and just work them hard. So anyway, and then the walk went pretty good. By the time I got through with shrugs and dumbbell, my knee had kind of worked itself out. And yeah, the walk actually felt pretty good this morning. So compared to yesterday, I walked actually a little further. I didn't look at how far it was, but just went to the next, I don't know, it's not gonna be that much further. A couple tenths more, or a tenth more maybe. But yeah, and it came, the time came down to them in the 16s. I had been in the 17s, 18s, because my leg was keeping me down, and was in the 16s today, so that's good. It's good, not fast, not a fast walk, but yeah, with the bum knee, it's not too bad. So it's getting better, yeah. So anyway, that gets that done. We've got shoulders tomorrow, and we'll be out here in the morning for that. And we get this Thursday on the road, get the work day done, and we're on the downhill side, folks. One more workout day, then we've got Saturday's ab burner, and we'll be done for the week. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Thursday. You guys take care. This is Sojourner Vision. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you later. Be safe.